Since the release of iOS 18.2 on December 11th, ChatGPT integration has been an integral part of Apple Intelligence. Provided you own a recent iPhone, iPad, or Mac, you can access OpenAI's chatbot directly from your device with no need to go through the ChatGPT app or web client. ChatGPT is a generative AI chatbot created by OpenAI and powered by a large language machine learning model. In addition to the capability to interact with people using natural language, ChatGPT can search the web, solve complex math and coding problems, as well as generate text, images, and audio. As for this video, the current version of ChatGPT is based on OpenAI's GPT 4.0 and 4.0 mini models. In June 2024, Apple announced it was partnering with OpenAI to integrate ChatGPT into Apple Intelligence. While some of ChatGPT's signature features are available directly within iOS, iPadOS, and macOS, many, such as advanced voice mode, can only be accessed through the ChatGPT app or the OpenAI website. On iPhone, ChatGPT is primarily available through three surfaces. First, Siri can turn to ChatGPT to answer your questions. In instances where Apple's digital assistant determines ChatGPT can help it assist you better, it will ask for your permission to share your request with OpenAI. You can also use ChatGPT to identify places and objects through the iPhone 16's camera control menu. Lastly, you can get ChatGPT help when using Apple's new writing tools. Essentially, anytime you're typing with the iPhone's built-in keyboard, including in first-party apps like Notes, Mail, and Messages, ChatGPT can help you compose text. Finding this feature can be a bit tricky, so here's how to access it. Long press on a section of text to bring up iOS 18's text selection tool. Tap Writing Tools. You may need to tap the arrow icon for the option to appear. Select Compose, then tap Compose with ChatGPT and write a prompt describing what you'd like ChatGPT to write for you. As for the question, do you need an OpenAI account to use ChatGPT on an iPhone? No, an OpenAI account isn't required to use ChatGPT on an iPhone. However, if you have a paid subscription, you can use ChatGPT features on your device more often. Signing into your account will also save any requests to your ChatGPT history. If your phone hasn't prompted you to enable ChatGPT already, you can manually turn off the extension by following these steps. First, go to Settings and tap Apple Intelligence and Siri. Then tap ChatGPT and select Setup. Tap either Enable ChatGPT or Use ChatGPT with an account. Select the latter if you have an OpenAI account. An iPhone with Apple Intelligence is required to use ChatGPT. Apple Intelligence is available on the following devices: the iPhone 16, the iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max, iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, iPad mini with A17 Pro, iPad Air with M1 and later, iPad Pro with M1 and later, MacBook Air with M1 and later, and MacBook Pro with M1 and later, iMac with M1 and later, Mac Mini with M1 and later, Mac Studio with M1 Max and later, Mac Pro with M2 Ultra.